And turning now to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbert this morning. Aside from some frost, cooler temperatures out there, it also looks like we have some visibility concerns as people head out to start their Monday.
Yeah, within the Rogue Valley, we're seeing visibilities way down there. Earlier, it was down to 2 statute miles in Medford, and actually just now, as I look at it, it's even lower than that, down to 1/4 of a statute mile. No visibility in Grants Pass. So the bulk of the fog within the Rogue Valley. There's also some in central and eastern Lake County. So because of that, we have a dense fog advisory in place for central and eastern Lake County. This goes until 10 a.m. for this morning. So visibility could be beneath 1/4 of a statute mile. There's going to be hazardous driving conditions. So take it slow and use the low beams on the roadways. Temperatures this morning, they are frosty. -2 degrees in Lakeview, 3 degrees for Christmas Valley. Elsewhere, temperatures are within the 20s and 30s. So bundle up this morning, really bundle up in Lake County. Here is your playground forecast for today for the Rogue Valley. There will be fog this morning. Obviously, visibility down to 1/4 of a statute mile right now in Medford. But I think most of the fog should mix out by the time we get to lunchtime. Then after that, it's going to be a very pleasant day. Lots of sunshine and temperatures a little bit below average for this time of the year, but not by much. All in all, it'll be a very nice fall day. So for today, it is going to be chilly, especially over on the east side. Temperatures struggle to make it out of the 30s, but within our west side valleys, definitely more comfortable than that. We'll be in the 50s, also mid-50s there along the southern Oregon coastline. The best chance for fog this morning is going to be within our west side valleys. Also, again, like you saw on the visibility map for central and eastern Lake County. And this is just the beginning of a week-long ordeal that we're going to have to deal with when it comes to the fog, as we have an air stagnation advisory in place for eastern Curry County, for Josephine County and Jackson County. This runs from 7 p.m. on Monday, 7 p.m. this evening, until 10 in the morning on Friday, as there's going to be poor mixing within the valley. So that means that air quality could be reduced. That will likely have several bouts of AM fog. So with that in mind, for tonight, especially once we get past midnight into the AM hours, more fog will fill back into the Rogue Valley, and it's going to be another cold night. You can see 20s for our west side valleys, back into the single digits or low teens for the east side. Here's your hiking plan over the next few days, getting incrementally warmer into Wednesday, near 60 degrees, sunshine, and then it does look like a weak storm system will move through here on Thursday, bringing some more clouds, and hopefully that'll mix up some of the air within the valley so the air won't be as stagnant as it would be otherwise. But unfortunately, there is no rain in the forecast. Well, not very much rain at all over the next 7 days. So that's definitely not going to help out with our stagnant situation. Here's your 7-day forecast for the coast. Plenty of sunshine over the next few days, then clouds coming back into the picture starting on Thursday, and still our forecast staying pretty consistent after that, at least temperature wise, and then maybe some showers do come back into the picture starting on Sunday. For Siskiyou County, looks like it's going to be a beautiful stretch of weather. A few more clouds coming back into the forecast starting on Thursday, but no rain in the forecast. Doesn't really look like there's any rain within the forecast over the next 7 days over on the east side as well. Just dealing with chilly days and very, very cold nights. Same thing for the Cascades. Maybe reintroducing the possibility of some sprinkles or some flurries starting on Sunday, but that chance is looking small for now. And then for the Rogue Valley, dealing with morning fog at least for, I'd say, probably the rest of the week, given the stagnant pattern, and then things become a little less stagnant over the weekend.
And it looks like temperatures going up a little bit. Overnight temperatures, though, still staying relatively low.
Yeah, right around freezing. And you kind of alluded to it at the top of the show, but the frost that we have on our vehicles for this morning, we'll likely at least have that for Tuesday and Wednesday morning, if not for Thursday and Friday morning.
Okay, great. Looking forward to that. Thanks,
Just
Josh.
Something to look forward to.
Yeah, something to wake you up in the morning. Thank you, Josh.
Of course.